And here in this year's Bioneer, here in Chicago, you're dedicating it to the living city. And that commitment to create another world, I think, is the commitment that all of you pioneers are making.
The world is not just made up of separate, isolated stuff. It's actually a web of relationships. And that we are in relationship with each other, with the planet, with the things that sustain our lives, and that the world itself is more a dance of energies.
Creating life, owning life, and criminalizing life, for me, is the most far-reaching step corporate rule has taken, and which is why I've dedicated my life to saving seeds.
The plant seeks a new way forward, a way to use what we have, not to wish we had something different, but to take the things that we have now and use them productively.
Being a Bioneer means working towards social justice and equity in order to heal with the earth and each other.
We're engaged in history's biggest chemistry experiment. We're changing the composition of our Earth's atmosphere.
There is no easy way out. First, we can't buy our way out of this crisis, so the old solution of green consumerism out. We can't isolate ourselves out of this crisis. We can only interconnect ourselves out of this crisis.
We're an amazingly adaptable species. We can adapt to the challenges ahead of us.
So I want to just say about the word impossible, everything we've ever undertaken in someone else's head began as impossible. Women's suffrage, civil rights, the rise of the ecological movement. Look at where we are. What we're talking about now is the next phase of succession. It's not impossible at all.